In this video, I will show you how to create such liquid effect in Photoshop. Create document. Select rectangle tool to make rectangle. Go to properties. Keep stroke to no fill. Go to fill and select gradient. Keep angle to 0 degree. Make copies of rectangle using Alt key. Select all rectangle layers. Convert it into Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T. Use Shift key to adjust layer. Go to Filter, select Distort, then Shear. Follow settings. Again, go to Filter. Select Distort, then Wave. Follow settings. You can try different adjustments as well. From Adjustments, select Gradient Map. Follow settings. I am providing color codes. You can try different colors as well. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.